All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Evan Gappelberg. He is the CEO of Nextech3D.ai. And Evan, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Thanks, Steve. Great to be back.
Yeah, so the company out with an announcement about moving into especially e-commerce, and this is with a crossbow company. In fact, this is a unique one.
It is. We keep expanding our 3D modeling capabilities. Wyvern Crossbows, they're the largest independent crossbow dealer in the country. They've been around for over 18 years, and it's a new industry for us. We haven't done any crossbows before, but there's a lot of crossbow manufacturers out there, and we see this as a blue sky growth opportunity for Nextech and our 3D modeling solutions.
The CEO of Wyvern talked about the reasoning behind it and the fact that they've received really positive response from customers in their testing of it, and the fact that being able to move stuff around and have that real 3D look of it. And that's really what the company, Nextech is built on, right, Evan?
It is. We keep on finding new fans of 3D models. David Wilkins, the owner of Wyvern, has converted over to 3D, and he's never going back to 2D. He sees the demand uh, online upticking as he puts our 3D models on his e-commerce site. And now if you can literally have a crossbow in your home and view it and spin it and really see what it looks like, in augmented reality, obviously. And it gives Wyvern a competitive advantage in a marketplace where there is a lot of competition, and we're seeing more and more specialty e-com retailers move to 3D. Of course, Amazon is, the 800-pound gorilla in the space. And as we've mentioned previously on your show, in August of 2024, we expect Amazon to open Seller Central, and that's going to be a big deal, we think, for our investors.
And lastly, Evan, in the news release, you talk about a video game tie-in. Can you sort of talk about that part of it and the integration that you have with that?
Sure. So Wyvern has a video game where they use their crossbows in 3D as 3D models. And so they're getting kind of a double benefit from the 3D models, where not only are they using it to sell more 3D models on their ecom, more crossbows rather, using our 3D models on their ecom site, but they're also using our 3D models in their video game, which they created. It's a hunting game, and they use their crossbows, and people can purchase their crossbows in the video game. And so that's just another use case for 3D models. We've talked about that previously, that video games also are starting to get on the 3D bandwagon.
Absolutely. Evan, thanks so much. I know it's been a busy time for you. Really appreciate you jumping on with us, and good to talk to you again.
Yeah, I'm traveling, so thanks, Steve.
All right, good stuff. There's Evan Gappelberg, the CEO of Nextech3D.ai.